Welcome to Southern Accent Foods. Today I'll show you how to make a New Orleans classic, red beans and rice. Wow, there's honestly not much for me to say about this. It's a winner every time. This is absolutely one of my favorite things to make. Get yourself some sort of platter or sheet pan and spread 1 pound of dried red kidney beans on it. Go ahead, spill the beans. You need to sort through them and remove any small stones, bits of twigs, empty shells, and broken beans. These things are a natural product that comes out of the ground, so sometimes you'll see some imperfections. Get the beans into a large pot, cover with 1 to 2 inches of cold water, put a lid on, and let them sit overnight. The next day, drain them and get them into a slow cooker. Get some canola oil into a large saute pan over medium heat. Add in about 1/2 pound of smoked sausage and 1/2 pound of chopped smoked ham. Andouille is the first choice here, but you can definitely use any good quality smoked sausage. You just want to get a little color on it and let some of the fat render out to cook the vegetables in. It should only take about 5 minutes or so. Strain everything out with a slotted spoon and get it into your slow cooker with the beans. In the same pan, you'll saute what's known as Trinity, which is a mixture of celery, onions, and bell pepper. I've also added a diced Fresno to the mix for a little extra punch. You can use any other hot pepper you like, or just leave it out. Season with salt, pepper, and a little bit of your favorite Cajun or Creole seasoning. That's for the Cajun ninja. I see you, bud. You do you. Keep everything moving for about 6 or 7 minutes until it's softened. After that time, add in a couple sliced or minced cloves of garlic and stir for 1 more minute. Don't let the garlic go brown. Okay, the hard part is done. Get your vegetables in the slow cooker with everything else. Cover everything up with about 1 quart of chicken stock. You can also use vegetable broth or just plain water. Don't forget to add in a couple of bay leaves. Give everything a good stir, put the lid on, and cook with confidence on low. I like to come back in and give everything a stir about every hour or so. You don't need to cook these all day. Start tasting after about 4 hours. They'll be done sometime between about 4 and 6 hours. Also, for Lauren, please be sure to remove the bay leaf when they're done. Now we can make some rice. 1 cup of long grain rice in a saucepan. Cover it up with 2 cups of cold water and add some salt. Bring it to a boil. The ratio for rice is 2 to 1 water to rice by volume. Once it comes to a boil, turn the heat down to low and wait until there is almost no activity in the water at all. Throw in a bay leaf, put a lid on, and let it go for 20 minutes on low. While you wait, go ahead and click that like button so more people can see this video. I'd really appreciate that. After 20 minutes, remove from the heat, place it on a trivet or something, and let it sit covered and undisturbed for 20 more minutes. After that time, remove that bay leaf and fluff it up with a fork. After the beans are done, you're basically good to go. Red beans and rice. Again, one of my absolute favorite things to cook. I love using the slow cooker, and the leftovers are great too. These things are even better the next day, and you can freeze the rest in individual portion containers. Thank you for watching, and have a look at another one of my videos here.